o-order si Tatat. Ayun siya guys, look. There. Miss.
Play na. For there po sa
everywhere.
Nasa ano kami? Yung bagong Starbucks sa Benuan. Wala kami pasok. Today is a Monday. Today is a Monday. And ano oras na? It's 3:15 p.m.
Thank you!
Mag-aaral na kami dito.
Kasi pagmatay. Kanina pa sila nag-aaral. Hindi pa ako nagsa-start. Time-lapse kasi guys. Hindi na naka-stay. Kala mo talaga, ano? Guys, follow nyo.
Yes, sa IG.
Ito yung IG ko. Lalagay dito si Katrina dito.
Dito sa gilid.
Dito daw. Yan, dyan.
Baba mo konti. Baba mo konti.
Basta dyan sa gilid.
Guys, welcome to my podcast. Kasi nasabi si Lorraine kanina. Nagtatanong lang naman ako.
Okay. She's the kind of person na lagi niyang sinasabi na gusto mo ba ng ganito, ng ganyan? So, ay, meron yata akong ganito, ganyan. Gusto mo ba? Tapos halimbawa, mo-order ng food. Anong gusto mo? Libre kita. Anong gusto mo? I'll pay for it.
Mag-aaral na kami. Hindi, to be fair, nakailang ano na ba kayo? Nakailang notes na kayo? Nakadalawang notes na ako. Malapit na akong matapos. Hi guys. Lagi ko yung ano. Hi vlog. Okay, hindi pa kita nakita pero kasi nahiya ako sa mga kasama mo.
Okay. Hi guys.
Lagi ko na lang IG niya dito. Tapos na ako 2 and 3. I finished everything. Yay! Yan. Hindi na ako mag-check. To-do list.
Lapit mo dyan. Lapit mo sa school. Happy birthday!
Sino na ulit sa inyo? Nandito siya. Kahapon wala siya. And guess, nandito ulit kami. We're here again. Time check. Today is January 14, aka birthday ni Dion. It's Tuesday and it's 4:37 p.m. Hi, we're studying pop culture now. So, pop culture. Tungkol saan ang pop culture?
Pop culture is yes.
Culture is very
relevant, and it's very powerful to the point that it is very encouraging. Encouraging!
Encouraging to what?
Encouraging to watch. Watch. To learn. It is very, very, very knowledgeable to the point that ayoko na siyang pag-aralan.
Naniniwala ba kayo guys sa alien?
If I were to bring an alien to the province of Bulacan, I would bring them to DRT because
Ang ganda naman ng tanong to the point na wala na akong maisip, wala akong masagot.
It's very, very knowledgeable.
Anyway. Ay, hindi pa pala ako nagtatabangan. Florence! Perfume of the day is Florence. Today is January 15 and it's a Wednesday. I am going out with Green again. Feeling ko hindi pa to nakakaalis ng bahay. Ganun yun eh. Kapag di pa sumasagot. Hindi pa nakakaalis ng bahay.
Hey, what's up everyone? Well, first time kong sabihin yan dito sa vlogs ko or here sa channel ko again. Nakauwi na pala ako. And time check, it's currently 9:25 p.m. It's a Wednesday night. And basically, yung gagawin ko for tonight is that I'm going to study for my midterms because tomorrow is my first day of midterms exam. And I will be taking 2 exams tomorrow. I'm going to finish one last lesson for tonight, and then later piprint ko yung mga reviewers ko, and then I'm going to review it again. For now, I guess you will be watching a video of me just studying. Okay. So everyone, change of plans. Lowbat pala yung iPad ko because unfortunately hindi pala nakasaksak yung iPad ko kanina while I was charging it. So I'm just waiting for it to, at least magkaroon ng 50% so that I can review. But for now, while waiting for me to ma-charge yung iPad ko so that I can maximize the time, I have decided to show you what's in my bag or what's in my school bag. Basically, I asked some of you guys sa broadcast channel ko on Instagram. Some people suggested from there na I should do a what's in my school bag or basically some of the things or stuff that I bring to school. And yeah, yun na lang yung gagawin ko while waiting for my iPad to charge muna. Okay. Ay, nahiya ako! Here's my bag. So for tomorrow, magdadala ako ng backpack since hindi naman ako magdadala ng sobrang daming gamit. I'm just going to bring some stuff, then a bit of my reviewers. So hindi ako magdadala ng iPad tomorrow. But here's my bag. It's a backpack from Charles & Keith. Kapag light colored yung bag ko, dapat light din yung mga pouches. Light din yung color ng mga pouches sa loob ng bag ko. That's just how I do it. So please don't judge me. Anyway, going back, I have 2 pouches inside my bag. So, ito muna ibuksan natin. So, this is where I keep my electronics. And, for now, 2 bagay pa lang yun nandito. And, nandito yung power bank ko. This one is from AuraShare, link down below. And, of course, my AirPods na lumang-luma na. Because my mom gave this to me. And ayoko siyang palitan just because she gave it to me. And gumagana pa naman siya. So, hindi pa ako bumibili ng bago. So, yun pa lang yung laman ng electronics pouch. This is also where I keep my camera, my lens, tapos yung stand ng camera. Kaso, gamit ko siya ngayon. So, that's the first pouch. Tanggal muna ako ng glasses. Bumabalik na naman yung problem ko na yun. I don't know why. But every time I wear glasses, kapag sobrang tagal ko na siyang suot, or kahit nga hindi sobrang tagal, for example, like 20 or 15 minutes lang, sumasakit talaga yung temples ko. So I feel like I have to, like, kailangan ko ipa-adjust yung glasses ko. So I'm not going to wear it muna kasi ang sakit talaga ng temples ko. But going back, the next pouch is this one. Big pouch. This is where I keep everything that I need. And the pouch that I'm using is from Sunny's Face. So, here's the second pouch. Basically, yung mga nandito sa pouch na to, yung mga kailangan ko talaga. Like, yung powder, kikay stuff. Girl stuff. So, sa loob ng pouch, merong ulit pouch. Feel like at some point, pinagtatawanan niyo na ako. But, guys, that's just, I really like my stuff organized. Kaya, that's how I do it. The first pouch is yung, which is the smaller one. It's also from Sunny's Face. Lalagyan talaga to nung Skin So Good na powder nila. But I decided to use it as a storage for my lippies, tapos for my liquid blush. So, for everyday, these are the lipsticks or lippies that I bring to school. So, I bring 3. First one is this. Yung Lux Organics na 24-hour lip creams. And the next, I bring 2 lippies. 1 lip tint and 1 mousse tint. Pero, nababago-bago yung mga dinadala ko sa school. Depende sa mood ko eh. Pero, ang hindi talaga nawawala is this one. Yung lip tint ko. This is my favorite tint. And it's from Romand. This is their Juicy Lasting Tint. Next is this one. I feel like napakita ko na to sa previous clip. Nung Monday, I think, but yeah, I also bring this mousse tint, and it's in the shade Casual. And then there's actually one last item inside this small pouch, and that's a liquid or cream blush. I use the one from Rhode, and shade niya is Salty, it's Sleepy Girl. And for the second pouch, nandito naman yung mga necessities ko talaga. Ito like for kikay la lang. Then this one, kailangan ko na kunwari mag-CR ako, ganun. Ito lang naman siya. So, this is where I keep my wipes, ganyan. My tissue, since as an allergic rhinitis girl, I always bring a tissue with me kasi the very moment lang na magstay ako sa aircon, sinisipon na talaga ako. I also bring a blotting paper. These are from Aunt Klutz. Ito yung ginagamit ko. I also bring a breath spray with me. And I bring 2 eye drops kasi, as you guys know, contacts wearer ako. So, I bring these 2. And then last one, I bring a cologne with me. Ito lang. This one is from Juicy. So, I have 3 things in here. This powder from Essie. Yung makeup fixing powder nila. Nawala na yung logo kasi matagal na to sa akin. Hindi naman sobrang tagal. But, yeah, maubos ko na kasi siya, guys. Ayan o. Actually, na-hit ko na yung pan. Kaya, nabura na yung logo. But this is what I use for touch-ups. I also bring yung lalagyan ng contacts ko kasi nga may mga times sa gusto ko nang tanggalin yung contacts ko kahit nasa labas ako. So, I always bring this with me. And then, I also have a mini brush. Pero, ganyan lang siya. May mirror, then here's the brush. Ganyan. Kasi, as a commuter, sobrang nagkakanda buhol-buhol yung hair ko every time na nagko-commute ako, like sa tricycle, sa jeep, ganyan. That's why I always bring a hairbrush with me. So, yun lang yung laman nung pouch na to. So, yun yung laman nung main compartment. Like, kita nyo, wala na ibang laman. So, I have 3 things here. Of course, yung pera ko. I bring 2 separate wallets with me. This one is yung card holder ko. Dito ko nilalagay yung cash ko. And then, nandito yung coins. And then, last thing, as you can see, last thing na lang siya, is this one. Mukha siyang lalagyan ng eyeglasses. Pero, I don't use this as a case for my eyeglasses. But, this is where I keep my pens. So, gusto ko yung ganito na kasi manipis lang siya. So, it doesn't really take that big space sa loob ng bag ko. Kasi manipis lang siya. So, yun lang. Or, yung mga bagay na dinadala ko on a daily basis for university. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And mag-review na ako. Bye-bye. Life update. Tinatamad na ako. Magreklamo pero gagawin. Naman na ako, guys. This is the reality of study vlogs. Like, yung mga study vlogs na nakikita nyo masipag yung vlogger. Di kayo sure doon. Charis. Baka ako lang. I'll talk to you guys later kapag piprint ko na yung mga notes ko. Because at the moment, naglalagay ako ng mga illustrations because that's how I like to study. I like to put illustrations that I can use to associate with the subtopic that I have to remember. And I'm going to talk to you guys later. And I'm sorry if hindi na ako naka-mic kasi nakalimutan ko na. Bye-bye! Time check. It's 12:11 a.m. 16th of January. So, today is a Thursday and I'm still studying for my midterms exams later. Uminom pa man din ako ng sleeping pills kanina because I was expecting that makakatulog ako. Maga ako makakatulog. But, napuyat pa rin ako, guys. Pagka-aaral. Pero, to be fair naman, I'm studying na for my second subject. Katatapos ko lang like 15 or 20 minutes ago sa isang subject na inaaral ko kanina and I'm now studying a different subject. So, I guess it's safe to say that I've been productive tonight. Talk to you guys later kapag magpiprint na ako. I'm so tired. I want to sleep. Pero hindi pa rin ako inaantok. So, I'm just going to study. Surprise! Sinisipan ulit ako, guys. Lapit na ako matapos. Excuse the morning face. Good morning, guys. It's currently 7:02 a.m. I just woke up around 15 minutes ago kasi kinailangan kong mag-print ng reviewers or notes ko kanina. Hindi ko na siya nagawa last night or kanina madaling araw because I was really, really sleepy na. Kaya ngayon ko na lang siya pinrint. Kakain lang ako ng breakfast and then I will be gagayak na ako. I'll be getting ready na for school because my exams will start at 9 a.m. and I want to leave na around 8:20 para sakto lang yung dating ko sa school. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Uy, ang tagal. Please, Lord, sana po may jeep na pagdating ko doon. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I'm going to leave. Bye na. Ano yun? Hindi ako na-leave. Sakto yung dating ko.
Told you.
9 ako nakarating.
Manos na rin. Wala ka maliliit. Hi! Sino? 311 po.
Medyo.
Start na?
Medyo complete.
Ma'am, 5 minutes. Ang dami locker ngayon kasi nalagay ko yung gift ni Fio. Gift for Fiona kasi. Tapos hindi kami magkikita this week. Mamaya na. Ano ba yan?
Letter from Pio. Last minute repeat.
Baka makapiright. Check kami ng test paper, guys. Not bad. Considering na kagabi lang ako nag-review. We're good, we're good.
How was it? How was it?
Saks lang.
Angel! How was it? And pasado naman ako, guys. Actually, mataas yung score ko. I can do better. Kebs lang. It's okay. Wala ako. Hi, guys. Kaya mo ba yung Sara? Nasa locker kami ulit. Hindi ko na-record pala yung reaction ko kanina. Kasi, apparently, meron palang gift dito sa locker ko na na. Kasi diba yung dala kong gift kanina? This one is for her. This is for Fiona. Tapos, may iniwan din na gift si Fiona. Ay, bigay niya, oh. Lily. My favorite flower.
Kung nakikita nila yung tsura ni Katrina ngayon.
It says, hello. Ano yun?
Congrats.
Congrats on your midterms. Ate, hindi pa nga tapos. Bye-bye. Ay, di tayo sinundan, di. Pero ang bata. Guys, I ordered. You guessed it. Youthberry tea pa rin. Huwag kasi ako umorder ng coffee or any caffeine for a month. Yeah. So,
Kasi nga, hindi siya makatulog na maayos.
so it's for my own good. Kaya puro tea ako and juices. Till 4 p.m. Second exam for today. Tapos na exam, medyo disappointing yung pop culture ko. Di ko alam na meron isang readings na kasama pala.
Ah, talaga?
A day in a life. One,
Steve.
2, 3.
Lagi na lang third wheel.
Ako si Ako si
Ordered candy. Ordered churros. Churros are good. Churros are my taking a bite of my churros. No! 50 pesos yan.
Isa?
Mm-mm.
No.
Here at SB. 2:25.
Ano oras next class mo?
5.
Tapos ako 4 p.m. yung next class ko. Mag-stay muna kami dito. Ako mag-review. Mag-review muna ako.
Yes. Ako.
Mag-ML.
Hello guys. Ang layo nyo, diba? Tapos naririnig nyo ako. Huh, magic.
I'm gonna study.
Yes. Kailangan pala maging formal tayo kasi aesthetic nga pala to. May maarte nga pala akong girlfriend guys. Sorry.
Psycho or therapeutic techniques is first one, you have to maintain the analytical framework. Yung analytical framework is basically, doon may provide sa client mo yung procedures, tapos yung magiging style ng counseling or therapy nyo. So yung free association is all about having your client to actually open up to you. Ibig sabihin, kaya siya free association, lahat ng mga pwedeng isipin, hindi mo lahat, basically ang goal ng free association is, yung client, you have to push the client to say whatever comes into their minds. So yung interpretation. Yung interpretation, basically, as the name suggests, ini-interpret mo yung mga sinabi sa'yo, or kinuwento sa'yo ng client. And then, you are to explain the feelings of the client to them. Pero dapat, in good timing mo yun gagawin. Good timing mo siya ibibigay. At the same time, dapat kaya siyang i-tolerate nung client mo. And hanggang doon pa lang inaaral ko. What can you say?
What can you say except you're welcome?
Second to the last na exam is done.
Sobrang haba nung exam. Trabaho siya. There are some parts na wala siya sa PPT, ganun. More on application. By far the most difficult exam this midterm.
Ito yung nagpapaisip sa akin kung dapat pa ba ako mag-psych.
Hi guys.
Ali, ang hirap ng exam.
I have classes at 3:15 and it's currently 12:33 p.m. and I'm going out again with my friend sila Maru. Mag-review kami again sa SB because yung exam namin later is a physics class. And I want to do a review with my friends kasi hirap ako sa physics. So, maaga kami papasok. I'll see you guys later. So here's a quick fit check for you. Kasi today is a Saturday and tuwing Saturday kasi, Wednesday and Saturday, wash day namin sa NU. Just a white tank and this button down na polo that's army green, loose na denim pants, and of course my black sambas. Sobrang weird. University fit. Then I'm using this bag. It's the black version of the brown bag that I opened, unboxed sa last vlog ko. So I also have the black version of it. Bye. I'll talk to you guys later.
Tita, mas may na kasi ako sa math. Sobrang talaga hirap ako.
Sobrang hirap ako sa problem solving.
Sinabi kong kaya mo, kaya mo.
This is me before physics exams. For sure, mamaya after na kusog na ako. Mamaya, nakaganto yan. Parang ayokong pumasok.
Nandito na tayo.
But then, I told you.
Where
Dito
is
kami
your
sa student lounge.
Guys, bata pa kasi ito.
Extension kasi ito ng SB.
Extension ng SB.
Ko alam.
Alam mo, elementary ako ganyan yung kulon.
Dito dinadala kong kulon.
Yung uso tsaka ano.
Ganyan. Kasi hindi siya mabigat sa bag.
Ano pala yun?
Kaya, bakit hindi nga matuloy yan?
Hila ko na yun, panoorin eh. Sawa ako.
Ayun nga nila sabi ko nakaraan.
Nawawala kasi yung spotlight sa kanya kapag may nangyari. Bigla may bagong issue.
Oo.
Like yung kay Sara Duterte noon, yung nagalit siya sa call.
Pati sa IG.
Ano?
Sige.
Ba't ba yung iba nagpe-premium pa na YouTube?
Oo.
Pwede naman mag-add
naman
ako.
siya sa
Kasi,
Yung kuya ko naka-YouTube premium pa.
kasi physics.
Hindi,
I wonder why it doesn't change your story. Sometimes you have to be a little bit naughty.
Go, harap dito. And then, 1, 2, 3, go. Shopee. Uniqlo. COS. Tapos Uniqlo. Tapos Nike. Whee!
Look at
Guys, parang magkamukha na kami ni Mario.
Kamukha nga kayo.
Laway mo naman, babe.
God.
Or dahil sa ano, sa lamin.
Parang magkamukha na kami.
Mario.
And then there's me.
Diba?
Nakapasok na kami ng room. Kasi may nag-exam dito kanina. And wala pa yung prof namin.
Gusto ko na mag-exam para matapos na yung purgatoryong to. Ang bumawi na lang sa past life.
In another life, wala akong physics class. Hi guys. Hi.
Mukuna ako dun sa ano eh.
Tapos na!
70 yung exam. Ikaw muna. I got 56. She got 57!
Ang hirap ng exam kasi matagal siya. Tapos we only have 2 hours to answer it. We're done. We're officially done with midterms. Finals, here I come. Pumunta kami ngayon sa locker kasi babalik namin yung clipboard namin. Sorry, you don't need no makeup. Okay. Gagaya natin sila dito, no? Hi, guys. Bye-bye!